Have you ever tried avocado banana smoothie recipe? Let me show you how to make smoothie with avocado and banana. So I'll be using ripe banana. You can use this type of banana. It's perfect for this avocado banana smoothie recipe. So I'll peel my banana and put it in a blender. So I'll be using fresh ripe avocado to make this avocado smoothie. So I'm going to cut into two, that equal half. Then I'm going to open and remove the seed. Please throw away the seed of the avocado. You do not need to eat it. So this I normally remove mine. So I'm going to use spoon to scoop my avocado. I'm using half avocado for this recipe. You can use the full avocado, but I prefer using half avocado for this avocado smoothie. This avocado smoothie is very amazing and it is very good. We are going to enjoy this avocado smoothie recipe. So I'm going to be adding milk. You can add any type of milk. The one you are not allergic to, you can add any daily drink, any daily milk into this. So I'm going to blend until everything is creamy, everything is fully blend smoothly. In less than 5 minutes, your avocado banana smoothie will be ready and you have a perfect creamy avocado banana smoothie. This avocado smoothie is very simple. With just 3 ingredients, your banana avocado smoothie recipe is ready. I'm going to serve it in a glass cup to enjoy this avocado smoothie. This is how I make my smoothie with avocado and banana recipe. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time in my other video. Bye bye.